member Tom. I'm just gonna say some Chinese, okay? So I know that there's some audience here only speak Chinese. 咁咧就咁我知道在座咧有啲人係講中文嘅，咁我會咧就係簡短咁講一講點解咧Tom 咧佢想係參選學校委員嘅。咁然之後咧我會繼續頭先咧講嘢嘅嘉賓嘅。咁Tom 咁佢咧就佢個中文名叫梁錦輝。嚇咁佢點解咧？即係話參選做昆士市嘅學校委員咧，係因為佢自己咧有3個細路仔，咁佢哋頭先喺嗰邊喺度跳嗰3個細路仔咧，都係喺昆士嘅公立學校嘅。咁仲有咧，佢非常之關心佢自己細路嘅將來。咁亦都係佢參選，亦都係因為咧，佢亦都係好關心昆士公立學校所有嘅細路嘅將來。咁仲有咧就佢自己好驕傲，係可以喺昆士嘅中立學校個公立學校咧畢業。咁同埋佢自己咧係從一個移民家庭啦，係佢太太亦係同一個移民家庭咧出生嘅。咁你知道如果係移民家庭嘅子女嘅話咧，有好多嘢咧係要靠自己，咁你先至可以，無論你係申請學校啊，或者申請乜嘢嘢咧，你都要自己靠自己。咁佢覺得咧就係話，應該昆士嘅公立學校應該係可以咁樣咧支持啲家長、學生，仲有老師有更好嘅將來。因為細路仔咧就係話，當我哋細路仔咧佢認識嘅嘢咧有唔同方面嘅，咁但係咧你識一啲嘢未必代表咧你有機會。咁所以學校最大嘅責任咧就係話，將呢啲細路仔佢哋嘅機會同埋佢哋嘅智慧有嗰個配合。咁佢自己咧就係講過佢自己嘅老師，英文老師咧教佢嘅就係話，當你學識讀書嘅時候，咁你就要讀書去學習。咁所以佢好緊記呢樣嘢，所以佢做每一樣咧都係非常之認真嘅。咁所以佢希望參選咧向昆士嘅公立學校，係每一個細路仔咧都有佢哋應得嘅機會，每一個家長都有佢哋嘅聲音。仲有咧，每一個老師佢哋嘅功勞咧都受到重視㗎。咁佢好希望咧，喺嚟緊嘅將來，大家一齊幫佢一齊敲門，咁有更加多嘅人出嚟投票。因為昆士咧係需要更加多嘅人代表我哋整個社區每一個居民嘅。So I'm going to go backwards, introduce some of the people who spoke earlier. So 咁Come up 咁我亦都簡短咁講佢頭先所講嘅嘢。咁Tree咧，佢係Tom嘅太太。OK，let's switch 太太咁佢亦都係即係好，即係佢覺得咧，佢唔單止嚟係支持佢先生，佢覺得咧，佢先生係一個非常之講個嘢算數嘅。咁我哋咧，即係喺我哋嘅政治場面裏邊咧，需要多啲人咧講個嘢咧就算數㗎。咁佢自己亦都係話，佢好重視原來佢自己細路仔嘅將來。咁佢亦都係話，同時佢覺得可以咧喺昆士就可以咧製造更好嘅將來嘅。OK， 咁跟住咧佢所以咧佢好高興可以支持佢先生參選。And Peter，咁 Peter 咧，伍先生係咪啊？哎呀，伍先生咧，佢咧就係呢一個龍舟博物館嘅主管嚇。咁佢咧就希望咧，大家佢啱啱響隔離㗎。咁仲有咧就係話有好多華人啦，響呢一個昆士住㗎。咁希望你哋多啲時間咧去睇一睇佢，因為係全國咧第一個嘅龍舟嘅博物館嚟㗎嚇。咁你哋有時間咧去隔離咧可以參觀下佢哋。咁佢亦都好開心支持Tom，因為咧佢覺得Tom咧係一個好誠實嘅人。咁當佢話佢會參選做學校委員會嘅，一定得，係咪啊？你可以講中文講。
Tom is also a board member as a treasurer. I'm tapping his expertise, and he's the treasurer for the Dragon Boat Museum. So that's why he's qualified to be the school committee.
咁佢 係非常之活躍咧，都係爬龍舟嘅，咁所以同埋博物館咧，佢都係非常之活躍嘅。佢係個財政司係咪？咁所以咧就係話，咁佢亦都係點解咁出力支持㗎？咁仲有剛才嗰位先生 Ed， 咁。咁Ed 咧就係同阿 Tom 咧就係響呢一個YMCA 認識㗎嚇，咁佢咧日日見到佢一早咧就會做運動 ，OK， 每一日都非常之準時㗎。咁佢自己本人咧係52年咧嘅教書嚟㗎，咁佢覺得咧就係話響昆士而家呢個時候，好需要好似阿 Tom 咁樣嘅領袖咧，就係話改善我哋令到我哋嘅昆士嘅公立學校更加好㗎。咁佢仲有咧就係話，咁佢覺得咧就係話好重要，因為佢自己教書嘅時候，佢響 Cambridge 同埋 Brockton， 咁然之後咧佢話我哋應該，如果我哋想我哋嘅社區將來更加好，我哋要投資多啲喺個學生裏邊。佢曾經咧教書，佢喺個學校裏邊，如果你每一個學生可以投資38000嘅話咧，可以俾佢哋嘅個將來咧，即係話會更加即係話好嘅。咁仲有咧就係話響大多數平均下公立學校咧投資咧都係19000咁上下。咁如果我哋有更加好嘅學校委員嘅候選人同埋係委員嘅話咧，咁我哋希望可以將投資更加多嘅人喺我哋社區裏邊，咁亦都係投資喺我哋自己嘅將來社區嘅將來。And then 呢位女士咧就 Amy，Kim，sorry。Why did I separate Kim？ 咁 Kim 咧佢係呢個競選團嘅經理嚇，咁佢咧就會揾大家幫手 ，OK？ 會大家咧要幫手敲門啦，叫啲人登記做選民啦，仲要叫啲人咧即係話多啲出嚟投票參與社區嘅活動㗎。咁佢亦都點解支持咧？阿 Tom 咧，因為佢自己都有細路仔喺佢嘅學校裏邊，咁佢亦都覺得咧，即係話可以睇到好多方面咧，學校可以改善嘅。咁但係咧，需要個人肯聽同埋肯去做咧，先至可以改善。咁佢認為咧，就係Tom係會肯聽，同埋佢肯做，咁可以咧，希望咧就係話昆士嘅將來咧會係更加好嘅。
Thank you, Karen. That was amazing. I did want to mention one more thing. I wanted to let you know about this tie. So Kayla bought this for me at a Marymount holiday shopping event, and so she was so excited that I got to wear it tonight. Kayla, did you want to say something? You want to come up here and say something?
Could you please vote for my dad for school committee?
Great job.
Good job, good job. Good job.
Thank you, everyone. What she said, right? Thank you, everyone, for being here, right? I think that it's a great night. We have a lot to do. This is really just the beginning. We have a lot of, things on the list that you can all help with to a lot of different levels, right? So for that, I want to, kind of say, that basically we have many things that we want to tackle. And most of all, I want to really stress that thank you, Ed, for being here. It's, everyone can be elsewhere on a Friday afternoon or evening, and you chose to be here to support Tom. So thank you very much. And Peter, thank you very much for being here. We will definitely make our visit to the Dragon Boat Museum, right? Thank you, everyone, for the guests. Thank you.
I want to say that, today it would not have been, this would not be possible if it wasn't for our amazing volunteers. And you know who you are. You're all working so tirelessly to invite people and, and donate, people who donate food and, everything. And then we would hope that if you could help us with donations, because we're going to be making flyers, we're going to make yard signs, and all that requires support. So, with your generous heart, if you can think about helping us. And if you can't, November 4th is election, so, tell your neighbors and friends to come out and vote. We need people to register. We're going to have people who help register voters as well. But if you can't, you can help put a sign, a yard sign, or like stand on the corner with us too, like holding signs. Anything that you can help, we would appreciate it.
咁啊 Two 咧就好想多謝每一個義工今日咧，即係話有好多人幫手咧，就先至可以成功。仲有咧特別係大家咧帶動啲人嚟啊，咁有今日嘅咁多人嚟參加。咁仲有咧就係嚟臨咧，就希望大家咧即係話有錢就捐錢嚇，有力都要出嚟嚇。咁所以如果你有因為咧，即係話所有佢哋嘅紙張啊、啲牌啊咁樣都需要大家咧資金上嘅支持㗎。咁仲有另外咧，就係 Queen's 其實仲有好多華人咧可以登記做選民㗎。咁你應該咧拉多啲朋友，叫佢哋嚟登記做選民。咁仲要記住咧，就係11月4號係選舉，嗰日係最重要㗎，個個都要大家出嚟投票。咁頭先咧，我唔記得咗講漏咗一個咧，就係多謝華林功夫阿麥嚇，咁咧就係話佢哋提供我哋嘅地方啦，同埋一直咧都係支持阿 Tam 啦，所有嗰個團隊㗎嚇。哦，仲有 Vic 嚇 DJ。I don't know how to say DJ in Chinese.